Hello you and you, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing how to do the stretch soft faux locks on both myself and on my cheapskate mannequin. She's so cheap, she likes free hairstyles and she never ever pays me a dime. Actually, I'll be going from regular goddess locks to some really messy locks today, which is a tad different from the method I showed in my last video of the same style. Today I'll be using the model goddess locks hair in 20 inches as my base, so it's going to be like a crochet version this time, and I'll be using some good old spring twist hair as my wrapping hair. And do enjoy the video as I get started, and please like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you. Again, this is the hair I'll be using, the model goddess locks hair in 20 inches. I chose to go crochet style because I think it's going to be easier on me. It might take a bit of time, but it's just what I feel is going to work for me. I'll be using the crochet locks hair as my base, and I'll be using some spring twist hair to wrap. Spring twist hair I'll be wrapping with these. So this is what the hair looks like. So let me start. Just gonna pull one out, and let me start from here until the just latch that in. That's one right there. Then I'm gonna fluff the first piece of spring twist hair. Actually, I'll be fluffing two pieces because I'll be using two pieces of this to wrap one lock. So get this one all fluffed. This is the first one fluffed, and the second one. Okay, now two pieces of spring twist hair. I'm gonna put one aside, and I'm gonna go down there again. Oh man, I think I need to turn the light on. Let me flip a light on. I just turned the light on, so the hair I fluffed. Okay, go under again. Lock it up. Now pull that, pull this, and I begin to wrap over it with the spring twist there. Now the way I'm wrapping is just pretty loose. It's nothing complicated. I'm wrapping real loose. Now that I'm running out of hair here, I'm gonna grab the second piece of spring twist hair. I'm gonna put in. Once it's secured, then I'll continue wrapping with the one I just added. Now, because it's thinning down here, like it's just remaining the goddess end of the lock, I'm gonna add some of that spring twist hair to it just to make it a little thicker, so I would have a stronger base to wrap on. So now you see, wrap over it. I was trying so hard not to put this in my mouth. And just at the end, on nail glue. See? And just in case you still did not get how I just wrapped this on my head, don't worry, you can quickly watch this next clip of me doing it as an individual on my mannequin while I go sit down and just really finished up the rest of my head. So keep watching. And so I'm done with my locks. Ended up being a really long day for me. I am really tired. Here it is. Let me cut the light on. I mean, I've got natural light right here, so you can see first. This is the texture. And let me turn the light on. Okay. So altogether now I do have 60 locks in my head. I used remember the locks air I used, the model air. Each pack comes with 24 locks in it. So I used 2 packs of that, 2 packs of the model air. So 2 packs is 48 locks. Then I have the third pack, the color one. So I used 12 pieces from that third pack. So that's 24, 24, and 12. So that's 60, because I was really particular. Like, I didn't want more than 60 locks on my head because I really cannot stand a lot of air on my head, and this is just perfect. It's super lightweight. So 60 locks. And for the wrapping, I used let me see. Remember, I wrapped each piece with 2 pieces of spring twist air. So that adds up to, a pack of spring twist air comes with 30 pieces. So 1 pack will do 15. So that adds up to 4 packs of spring twist air. Yes, and I'm correct. 60 locks done, and 4 packs of spring twist air used to wrap, because each pack is 30. 4 packs, that's 120. Then 2 each, that's 60. Yes, my math is getting better. So I can't wait to go sleep. I am super tired. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you. And please, if you learned something and you like the video, you can just leave a comment and like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you.